Hello and welcome YouTube. Today we're gonna do unboxing for Mac Pro. Mac Pro 16 inches, Core i9, 1TB SSD, and 16 gig of RAM. So let's get started and see what's inside this box. Okay. It's currently available on Amazon for about $2,500, and always, as I mentioned every single video, keep in mind, if it's sealed, then this is a brand new product. If it's not sealed, it could be a refurbished or used one. So this is very much a brand new Mac Pro 16 inches Core i9, 1TB SSD, and 16 gig of RAM. Alright, so let's get started and see what's inside this box. Alright. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna put the cover here. Okay. Alright, let's see. Whoa. That is really fantastic. It's a big screen, 16 inches. I prefer to use bigger screens other than the 13 inches. 13 inches are good laptops for daily use or to carry with you, because very much a small one, light one, easy to carry. But I personally prefer the big screen. It does help me a lot, and this one is a great for heavy work, because Core i9, 16 gig of RAM, that's a lot, and it's good for work. All right, so this is it. And let's see here. All right, in this side it has audio jack and 2 Thunderbolt USB Type-C inputs on this side. Also on this side, nothing here, and comes with another 2 Thunderbolt USB Type-C input. So has only 4 USB Type-C, Thunderbolt USB Type-C with 3.5 millimeter audio jack. All right, that's it. And it's not that heavy. I was expecting 16 inches might be a little bit heavy, but this boy is not. Oh gosh, that's a good one. Okay, and all right, it comes with USB Type-C to USB Type-C. This is the charger, I believe. Okay, that's for this one. Also comes with instruction manual. All right. Oh gosh, that is very big power adapter. Oh, look at the charger. Oh, that's very big. A little bit heavy because, you know, Core i5 needs more power, and 16 inches as well, so I need more power. So this one, it's about, I believe it's 48. Oh no, it's a 96 watts. Okay, so 96 watts USB power adapter. You see this one here. Okay, I'm gonna make it easy here. Yeah, this is 96 watts. Okay, and what else here? Nothing. Very simple. And nice packaging, by the way. It's a good packaging box. That's it. So that's very much what's inside this box. Okay, let me put it on the side here for a sec. All right, let's open the lid and see. Okay. All right. And I choose the silver color. I prefer this silver color. It's a good color. I love. Oh, this one out of here. Okay. Look at that. Whoa. That's nice. Silver with black keyboard. So, okay, let's take. Oh, okay. Just started. All right. How can I get this out? Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Right, let me flip it this way. Here
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so I'm gonna start working on the setting and configuration, and feel free, guys, if you have any question, put your question, your comment, and subscribe to my channel, and thumbs up please. And thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.